Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by the shop. This is a follow-up of the Northridge grinder, belt grinder. This is part 2, and this is the fabrication out of steel for the mount on my engine stand. So let's get right on into it and take a peek at it. Thanks for stopping by. Well, I got the parts pretty much ready. Using my small mega square, but it didn't have the right width that I wanted, so I added a piece of 1/4 inch wood on each side with some hot glue. So my mock-up's pretty good here, so I'm going to break it back down, clean up, deburr the parts and everything, and then get it ready for welding. Well, got the first piece welded on, and thank God for grinders. It's stuck, but not beautiful, so I'm glad I got some grinders. We'll continue on though. I'm not going to be showing you my welding though. I'm just not that experienced in good. I can get things to stick, but they're not pretty sometimes. Well, here's the test. We'll see if it works. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Let's see if you can. And the big question will be spinning it. This is the platen that would typically be used. So for myself, maybe a little high. Maybe. If I was doing knives, probably a perfect height. I can always cut the column down on that, but now the question is when it rotates, what do we got? Okay, if I can find the bar, It's just a piece of pipe. To find the bar, we could try it. Okay, there goes nothing. My wrench stuck. The question is if it goes too far over center or not. Now I would end up putting a positive stop, come on, lock, on this for the 90 degrees. Let me go around the other side and see how easy it tips. Doesn't feel like it wants to tip. It was just my C-clamp. Well, I think it's pretty stable. I didn't take it all the way there. To 90 degrees. This appears to be at a pretty good height for working. I think I like it. I'm in your way probably. I think it solves the solution. I got to play with it some more. I can extend the leg on that side to make sure it's counterbalanced. Basically, this is the beta test. I have to play with it here and see what goes on. We'll bring you back. Well, it's at the full 90 degrees. Got a level on it to check it. And it puts the bottom of the platen at 38 inches. Top is at almost 40. Which, pardon my reach there, but I think it's a good, good working height for seam. Like I said, I still got to play with this. And then I'll put a positive stop, so when it hits 90, it's on a dead stop. I don't have to worry about fighting it. And I think it's going to be okay. We'll bring you back for some more. Well, this photo here was taken Sunday afternoon. As I mentioned, I ran out of MIG wire, and I had the spool. And so I was thinking, how in the hell am I going to hang all these belts? Where am I going to put them? And I cut the spool into 4 quadrants, and that's my belt hanging solution for right now. Regarding the grinder stand itself, as I mentioned, it's the beta. I don't know that I'm sold on it. I really need to spend some more excuse me, spend some more time with it and really get a feel for whether it's the solution that I'm looking for or not. To this point, I've had fun building the mount. I always enjoy building something, figuring it out, and of course there'll be a follow-up video to this as to whether this is the cat's meow or I'm going to make modifications.